Ellipal app wallet app. The pros, the cons. In the world of crypto, security is everything. And the Ellipal app wallet has built its entire reputation around one bold promise: complete protection from hackers. But does it truly deliver on that promise? Let's uncover the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Ellipal is best known for its air-gapped security. That means it operates completely offline, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no US connections. This design makes it nearly impossible for hackers to breach, even if they gain access to your phone or computer. The app pairs with the Ellipal hardware wallet, allowing you to manage assets safely through crypto transactions. This system ensures your private keys never leave the device, giving you true self-custody over your crypto. Another advantage is multi-asset support. The Ellipal wallet works with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and hundreds of other tokens, including DeFi assets and NEVs. The app also has an intuitive layout that makes sending, receiving, and swapping coins simple, even for beginners. But now, the cons. While its offline nature is a security strength, it also makes the process slower. You have to scan QR codes for every transaction, a step that may feel tedious for frequent traders. Another downside is the price barrier. To fully benefit from Ellipal's features, you need to buy the hardware wallet, which isn't cheap. And while security is top-notch, customer support and firmware updates have sometimes lagged behind competitors like Ledger or Trezor. In conclusion, the Ellipal app wallet is one of the most secure ways to store your crypto, ideal for long-term holders and serious investors. The surprising truth: if you value convenience over speed, it's worth it. But if you trade daily, you might find the extra steps a little too slow for comfort.